All right, this may be like a niche group of people, but this is a 2012 Corvette. I don't know if this is all years or not, but if you get a clunking noise in the back of your car, the bushing on the top hat of the rear struts will wear through, and there's a metal collar in there that will contact the metal top hat piece, and it makes a terrible sound. It took me forever to figure out where it was coming from. So what I did was I went and got this part number from the parts store, and this is a top hat bushing kit for it's for a Lincoln Town Car, and those have been the same for like ever. So I don't know if this works yet, but it should. My measurements are right. So I will show when I get the shock off. The shock's very easy. 2 bolts up top, and then the 1 big bolt, and you don't have to undo anything else. You just undo those and it just slides out. So the 2 bolts up top are 13s, bottom is a 15/16. Also, my car has the adaptive suspension stuff, so there, when you pull this down, which is pretty easy to do, there's a plug on top, and you just pull out this little metal clip, pull it out, and that plug just pops right off. Nothing to it. All right, so I don't have any way to hold up my phone very well. You can see how much side-to-side play is in this top hat. So I'll show you the worn-out bushing and get this off. Nut for the top hat is a 17 millimeter. And apparently that wasn't very tight. And I'm pretty sure that was on upside down. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, so if you look down in here, you can see how it's chewed through this bushing almost all the way around. Oh, actually right there you can see the metal collar. So yeah, it's completely shot. Here's what it looks like. It's actually 2 pieces. This just slips over it. But yeah, this is completely worn through. And this should be a pretty good solution to this, like that, and then this piece slips over the top of it. Well, actually like that, and then same thing, metal plates on both sides. All right, it's a snug fit, but I got a sleeve. Take the sleeve out of the old bushing, and it will just slip right in, and that fits snug over the shock. You don't have to change the bottom plate out. It's good. All right, so everything is together. It all fits very snug and very tight. So I believe this is a perfect solution for that worn out bushing, because best of my ability, I tried to find this kit specific for the C6, and I couldn't find anything. So, and it's very cheap. This I'd got enough for both sides, and it was like $32 or something like that. So, and that was at the parts store. So if you ordered them, you probably get them cheaper than that, but should be perfect. So yep. And then now reverse the process, put this back in, bolt it up, hook up the shock plug, and should be good to go. Hope this helps for anybody with a rear clunking noise. You can test this to see if you have the issue before taking it out. If you just grab the shock body and wiggle it, you can actually hear it clunking against the inside of this. So you can actually see mine's actually shiny right there where it's been rubbing. So should feel a whole lot better after this. All right, got the car put back together, took it down the road, and the back end suspension feels much better. There's zero noise now. So And I forgot to mention that because these bushings are meant for a town car, which is, you know, a much heavier car, it's a heavier duty bushing, so the car feels more solid, and these should last much longer than the OE bushings. So definitely a good upgrade, and very cheap for a fix instead of buying all new shocks, which are like $800 a piece. So yeah, but I hope this helps somebody. It definitely helped me.